to Techsteck multi-vendor food applications add-on panel. Here we can see the order statistics, user statistics, top delivery man, top rated food, top selling foods. After that we have POS section. In here we can create the orders on the behalf of customer. We can select the zone, select the restaurants categories and enter the food name. Or we can search for add new customer, enter customer's first name, last name, email and phone number to add the customer, and we can then select the payment method and place the order. After that we have campaigns, basic campaigns and food campaigns. For now we have one. To view the campaign we just have to click this button, and here we can edit the options also. Then we have add new campaign button to add the campaign. After that we have food campaigns. Here we don't have any food campaign, but we can add food campaign by clicking on this add new campaign and enter the details to add the campaign. After that we have banner section here. Here we can select the title, zone and banner type. For now we have one demo banner. We can edit the banner by clicking on this pen button. Here we can edit the informations. After that we have promotional banner. So this is a promotional banner. We can upload a new image by clicking over here. After that we have coupon section. Here we can create the new coupons. We have to enter the title, coupon type, restaurants, customer, start date, end date, etc. Then we have to click on the submit button to create the coupon. Then we have push notifications. Here we can create the notifications. For that we have to enter the title, zone. We'll have to select the customer to whom we want to send. Like we want to send to the customer, delivery man or restaurant. Then we have to click on send notification and the notification will be sent to the specific person, like customer, delivery man or restaurant. After that we have order section. In here we can see all our orders and manage all our orders. Here we can see all our orders. We can view one order by clicking on this I button. So here we can see the details. After that we have scheduled orders. Here we can see all the scheduled orders, but for now we don't have any. Then comes the pending orders, accepted orders, processing orders, food on the way orders, delivered orders, cancelled orders, payment failed and refunded. After that we have subscriptions orders. Then we have order refund section here. Here we can see the requested orders. For now we don't have any. Then we have dispatch management. Basically this shows that the customer, we have a customer and we are finding a delivery man. So we want a delivery man for this customer. After that we have ongoing orders. Here we can see all the ongoing orders. After that we have help and support section, in which we can see chatting. Here we can chat to the restaurants or other person. Then we have contact message option here. Then we have restaurant zone. We can set up our zone from here. After that we have cuisines. We can add a new cuisine by clicking on this add new cuisine button, or we can also export all this data into CSV file by clicking on this export button. Then we have restaurants option here. We can add a restaurant, see the restaurants list. We can see the new joining request for the restaurant, bulk import and bulk exports. To add a restaurant, we just have to enter these detail, example restaurant name, restaurant address and cuisine zone, owner's name, etc. Then we have restaurant list. Here we can see all the restaurants. For now we only have 2. New joining request, we can see the joining request here. Then we have bulk import, to bulkily import the restaurants, or bulk export to export. Next we have categories of food management. Here these are all the categories. Then we have subcategories option here. Here we can see the subcategories for those categories, and we can also create a subcategory by entering the category here and then name over here. Then we have bulk import and bulk export. Then comes the add-on section here we can see the add-ons list here, like cheese, coke, etc. Then we can bulkily import or export them. Then we have food option here. We can add a new food, view the food list, review, and bulk import or export. So this is our food list. We can view the food by clicking on this pen button here. We can edit the details here. After that we have deliveryman's management system over there. Here we can see the vehicles category setup, like what vehicle do a deliveryman have. For example, this one has bike. After this we have shift setup. Here we can add the shifts. Then we have deliveryman option here. We can see the deliveryman's list. We can also edit the information about the deliveryman here. For example, we want to change his name, identity number, zone, whatever. Then we have add a delivery man option here, from which we can add a new delivery man. For adding a new delivery man, we have to fill up these details. Then we can see the new joining request for the delivery man here, incentive request here. We can see status over here also, which can be pending, successful or failed. Then we have incentive histories, bonus section, and reviews. Here we can see all our customer. Next, wallet option. Here we can add funds or bonus. We just have to select the customer, add in the amount, and click on the submit button to add fund to the customer. Then we have bonus option here. After that we have loyalty points report here. Here we can see the customer loyalty point report, like debited, credited, or balance. Then subscribed mail list, customer who have subscribed to our mail. Employee roles, what is the role of the employee, and we can click on the submit button to add the employee role. Next we have employees. We can add a new employee or see the employees list. Then we have report management. Here we can see the transaction report. So here we can see the transaction reports. We can also sort this according to time, or we can also see based on the restaurants. Next we have expense report. Here we can see the expense list. We can search data based on restaurant or customer. Then we have food report. Next we have order reports, regular orders and campaign orders. Here we can see pending orders, scheduled orders, all those things. Next we have restaurants report here. Here we can see the reports. Next we have customer report. Then comes the employee role. I've told you, I guess. So this section here. Yeah, business setting. We can set up the business, like where we are situated. Then email template. What kind of email we want to send to the user. Theme settings here. Here we can change the theme of the application. Then we have gallery. Pages and social media. We can link pages to our application, like privacy policy page, terms and condition page. Here we can enter the data. Next we have third-party configurations, Firebase and login setup information, then app and web settings, landing page settings, admin page settings, and React page settings. Here we can see all the tabs in which we can enter the data. Like for this is testimonials. Here we can enter the reviewer image and name and give a review. Clean database if you want to delete the data out of these, like food, email tablets, and etc. Then we have collect cache section here, which is a part of transaction management. After that, restaurants withdrawals, restaurant withdrawal methods. So the restaurants which we have withdrawal, like for example test restaurant, but we have denied the option for the test restaurants, third number. Then we have restaurant withdrawal methods, deliveryman parents, payments, and system add-ons. Thank you, and that's all for our multi-vendor food applications admin panel.